Hello everyone, let's make these beautiful flowers. So we are making multiple cuts on this yellow craft paper. Open it and start rolling it around this green stick. We are also pasting it using double-sided tape. Similar way, take a long blue craft paper, make multiple cuts on it as well and start rolling it around the stick, and look, your flowers are ready. Let's make this beautiful fan flower using paper cup. Mark dots on it and cut the paper cup. Open it. After this, we are going to cut hole at the center and paste sellotape around it and paste all the flowers on it. We are going to put this straw at the back and look, it is ready. Cut a circle from print craft paper and make multiple cuts on it. Now cut the edges. We are making V cuts here. Cut it and start rolling it like we're doing here. After that, keep it aside. Now take another yellow strip of paper, make multiple cuts, roll it and put it at the center of the flower. Paste leaves and look, your flowers are ready. Fold this red craft paper, make a triangular shape. Now cut it. Here your flower is ready. Now cut a circle from yellow craft paper. Paste all of them together, draw face and look, your flowers are ready. Cut this cloud shape from cardboard and paste tape on it. Now we are going to paste this clay on it. Here we are making different things using clay. Here we are making snail and these little seedlings and flowers on the top. We are also making raindrops and paste all of them together on the cardboard, and look, your cloud is ready. Let's make this beautiful star using this strip of paper. We are folding this pink strip of paper, fold it and make a pentagon shape like this. Now start rolling it like we are doing here around the pentagon shape, one after another like this. Finally, we are going to tuck the piece inside like we are doing here. Now we are going to squeeze it from its corners and give it a shape of a star, and look, it is ready. Cut the shape from cardboard. Now paste sellotape on the top of it, flip it, and we are going to paste different green leaves and flowers on the top of it. Your artwork is ready. Cut this plastic bottle into half and cover it using this brown clay. Put pebbles and clay inside it. Now we are making sunflowers using yellow and brown clay. Make the flower, give it shape, paste leaves and tap all the flowers inside the flower pot, and it's ready. Look at this beautiful heart-shaped fan. Let's make it. Cut this white craft paper and make multiple folds like this. Open it and again fold it. Make two such shapes and paste both of them using double-sided tape. We're also pasting these thread on both ends using double-sided tape, and again fold it like this. Now we're going to roll it around this pink craft paper and make a stick like this. Now we are also covering this pink strip of paper around it. We're also covering the thread using double-sided tape. Make another stick and look, your fan is ready. Make 5 red clay balls and put all of them together. Put a yellow clay ball at the center, paste its leaves and stick. Cover it using this pink craft paper, tie this ribbon and make a bow, and look, your bouquet is ready. You can make more such colorful bouquets. Thank you so much for watching this video.